South Africa has lost two young promising players, in which one player was Jayden. He played for Sundowns, and he was also in the World Cup while playing for South Africa, and we are very much like happy for his participation in the World Cup, but we are very saddened that he passed on at a very young age, in which it's very sad for any family at this point. And then the other player is Luqobo Makwedini, who was playing for under 18 rugby. He died after training, in which that's also not good for any family, because I'm sure they were looking up to them on supports and anything like that, because each and every family that has a child, their dream is to see them succeeding, not to bury their child. So as a whole of South Africa, we are very saddened, and we are not okay because they all had promising futures ahead of them. And to the family, like, we're all sending our condolences in this tough time.
We are crying also.
I'm crying.
We are in pain.
Yes.
Yeah, like I am, but it's fine because in life, really, we live to die. We live to die. So yeah, as a country, we are saddened like this passing of two players, key players. So, but then now we cannot dwell much on that one because yeah, we know that everyone is mourning for them. Even the FIFA, game ya England, Norway, they also did a moment of silence for the player. They respected the player and also they respected South Africa as at large. So yeah, so that's how it is. It is what it is. Yeah, sister mailing, sister mailing, sister shit. So and we don't push out our shit in May their soul rest in peace.